Hey, what's up guys? The company sent this to me for free so I can check it out and let you know what I think about it. In this video, I just want to quickly show you the controls and how everything functions. So of course, like any air mattress, it has a main air outlet or inlet. You could pump it from there, but the really cool thing about this one is that it has its own pump to inflate and deflate, ETL-certified. One thing to notice that threw me off at first, and I didn't understand why, is that it has two separate switches here for inflate and deflate. And I found the reason is actually because unlike most air mattresses that I've seen before, this one has two separate sections to fill to it. So it has a full middle section, and then this outer ring is a whole separate section by itself. So it does have an inner and an outer section to fill up, and the point of that is to just really increases the comfort on it. Really, it kind of is almost like a box spring mattress kind of feel to it, because the outer ring inflates a little bit more, sticks down a little bit more under the mattress in the middle, so just kind of makes it a little bit more comfortable. So that's really cool. So then, of course, after you inflate or deflate, you have a deep pocket back in here where you can put your 120 volt plug into it. So that fits really well. And overall, I mean, with these features, it's just a really cool, really high quality air mattress.